Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, January 11th, 2017, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, we had another one of those crazy days where we really didn't have a spectacular day, but we made some money, and that sure beats losing. And it was kind of interesting today. I mean, the Dow was just wild here. You can see here. Let's open this up a little. Okay, that's a little better. It took off like it was screaming, and it looks like we got like about 25 points from 20,000, and then it collapses way down here, big spike, then it comes back up again, collapses again, tests that low, and then it rallies nice and strong to the end of the day, and it closed up 99 points. So it was, as far as the Dow goes, it was pretty crazy. Donald Trump gave a news conference today. I've been so busy I haven't even been able to flick on the news, find out what he said. But after all was said and done, it looks like the market liked what he said. And I am looking at this here. We're about 50 points shy of 20,000. And I'm going to go out on a limb. Trader Bob's going out on a limb. I'm going to say tomorrow's up, and tomorrow we go through 20,000. That is going out on a limb. We've been so close to this so many times. It's just kind of like when it finally does it, it's like nobody's going to be paying any attention but me. Anyway, 20,000 tomorrow. That's the prediction from Trader Bob. Yeah, we had an okay day. The stuff we had coming in today turned out pretty well. We closed out $4,000 in what we closed out. We got into 12 new positions. 7 are positive, 5 are negative, but we're carrying a small negative of $1,000 going into tomorrow. Of course, this thing really does go to 20,000. We'll do fine. We'll make some money, but we'll just have to see. I got only 2 stocks to show you. I'll show you the one that was a big disappointment for us. This is dust, and we're getting dusted in dust. 4 days ago, we got in here, almost the high of the day, and then we're stopped out next morning, and I believe that was for about a $4,000 loss. And then today, it does the same thing. It pops up here, and then sells off. It did come back a little at the end, but we're still down $4,000 on that trade. Of course, we're not out of it yet. We don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, but boy, those are 2 big losses, only a couple days apart, and yeah, I don't like that. Dust, by the way, is inverse gold mining, if you didn't know that. We did have, as I said, we still had positive numbers for the day, and this was one reason for our positive numbers. This is CLF, California Resources, and we had bought that yesterday. Right out of the gate, it kept going, closed near its high, and it popped up a little bit for us very nicely there, and we took positive $4,000 out of California Resources. We had a crystal ball. We could have hung on to it a little, made a little more money, but we played the system and we got out of it. Still, I'm very pleased with that trade. Anyway, that's the way it goes. Let's hope we see 20,000 tomorrow. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here online tomorrow on Thursday.